pancake. Through this really project, but it's
I'm all done.
real deal.
So what's going on YouTube? So you saw my little morning routine with the kids, and we are now we're at our local high school that's down the street from our house. We kind of made a habit out of this. Just about every morning that's appropriate that I'm off, we come and we get our little workout in on the track because coronavirus. And
Coronavirus!
there we go. There's my husband John.
And that's my brother.
That's Hudson, the baby brother.
That's my baby brother, and that's baby Hudson Carter.
And who are you?
Hunter.
Hunter? And how old are you, Hunter? 5? That's my daughter and my son and my husband. So we kind of made a tradition of this. We come every morning just about, and we get our workout in, the whole family. My parents come most of the time. My parents don't come. Sometimes a friend of our family, a friend that's a family.
A family of friends.
A family of friends.
Get it together.
And look at
Will come and meet us here, and we'll get our workout in.
And look at my mask.
Yep. COVID times. Let's get it in, y'all.
COVID times.
All right, so we just got to the track. We're gonna get this workout started. My parents are here. Say hi, Mom and Dad. All right, let's go. Workout done. All right, guys, we stopped home. I changed my shirt because I was extremely sweaty. We got a little snack. Gonna go run a couple errands, probably Target, and maybe stop for a coffee. Maybe, we'll see. Look at this. So, my skin was doing great. It was great pre-COVID, and then COVID happened, and I wear a mask for about 13 hours a day when I go to work. I'm a nurse. I don't know if anybody knew that. I work in postpartum right now, so wearing a mask that long, it has really taken a toll on my face, but I'm working on getting that back together. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna do those errands and do those things. Hudson is sleeping, so we're gonna let him finish his nap and head home. Did you know he could sing? Oh, I still have my earbud and I don't know if anybody else can be heard on the video, but we're home now. Hunter's eating lunch. Don't mind the mess on the table. Hudson had his lunch kind of on the go in the car. I think I'm going to clean up the bedroom. I have to do something with these braids. They've been in for about 2 weeks. Hudson, don't do that to Max. Max is our dog. Yeah, I see you.
Take your earbud out so I can say hi. Take your earbud out so I can say hi. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Welcome back to Mom's channel. Right, Mom?
Right, baby.
You can start.
So I think I'm gonna start getting our bedroom a little bit more in order, and then I have to retwist. I think I'm gonna retwist these twists because they're really easy. It's hot, you know, twist outs don't last in this heat. I'm in New York, if you guys didn't know. So the humidity in New York in the summer is just insane. So the braids are easy. So I think I'm gonna retwist them and clean the bedroom, and that's kind of my plans for the rest of the day.
So much money in the room.
So I'm gonna make a smoothie first before I start my bedroom and my hair. So I put in so far some spinach, some frozen strawberries. I'm gonna put some acai puree from, is it acai?
I guess. I guess.
It's good for you though. So I'm gonna be putting that in there. I'm gonna go downstairs to the freezer to see what other frozen fruit that I have, and some aloe vera juice to kind of juice it up. Adding in some mango, some aloe vera mango juice, some mango juice. I'm sorry, aloe vera mango juice. Is that good?
What you doing? What you doing? God bless that.
Oh my God. Thanks, babe.
So the smoothies are done.
Wait, maybe show the pork to the smoothie.
Girl, you want on my face? All right. So smoothies are done. We're gonna pour them into the cup. Shout out to the people that do this on a regular basis, because this is hard to do. Record and do stuff. All right, smoothies are done. Yeah, and we should probably. All right, so I'm taking over. I usually make the smoothies. I don't know why she come in here trying to rain on my parade. But no, I usually make the smoothies. So I'm going to show you guys. We should probably give the baby some too. So I'm gonna make her a cup. Just to make sure she gets a lot of vegetables, fruits in the mix. Somebody's calling me. All right. So that's that. It's Philadelphia. She's probably a telemarketer. You're having a smoothie.
Huh?
You're having a smoothie.
No.
Smoothies.
That's Hudson's.
Smoothies!
Get a taste test it. Let me see.
Let's see.
My concoction, actually. Good.
You gonna try yours? Let's see.
It's good.
A little bear, try yours.
Wait, these have seeds?
No seeds.
No.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Chug a lug, chug a lug, chug a lug, chug a lug. Drink it.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Thumbs up on the smoothies. Even though she put it together, I mixed it, and that's all that really matters.
Yeah.
So.
And do you know what, guys? You should make this smoothie. It's very good, right, Dad?
Mm-hmm. It is actually pretty good.
We taste this all the time, right?
Yeah. All right. So we are. What are you about to do? What you want to say on this thing?
Me.
Nothing. I'm about to go upstairs.
Okay. She's gonna go upstairs. Okay.
Good? So good.
Yummy.
He likes it.
Boom. It's the step challenge. Who's gonna have the most steps today? Step challenge.
I'm gonna win!
No.
Yes!
No.
I'm gonna win. All right, here I am several hours later. The hair is done, the hair is moisturized. I'm ready to get in the bed. I'm ready to take a shower. I just need to finish the day, you know? But I thank you so much for spending the day with me and my family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.